Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Trim stray fibers close to the denim so the sealant sits on fabric, not long threads. Once trimmed, slide cardboard inside the leg to protect the other side and apply a tiny drop of Fray check along the raw edge. Use a toothpick to spread the product thin and avoid blobs. The goal is a clear, invisible bead. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and blot excess immediately with a paper towel to prevent hard spots. Once the initial bead sets tacky, apply another thin layer to the backside for full penetration. This prevents threads from pulling through. If you want a controlled fray, separate individual yarns with tweezers and coat them lightly, shaping the edge as you go. If you prefer durability, place a 1/2 cm fabric strip behind the hem or sew short whip stitches through the edge before the sealant fully cures. Make sure to let each layer dry briefly to keep you finish by allowing the treated edge to cure 24 hours flat and undisturbed. This yields a flexible, durable finish. Once cured, gently trim any hardened nubs and style the fringe with your fingers. Make sure to wash jeans separately for the first 1 or 2 cycles on cold and gentle to avoid agitation. If you see visible excess glue or stiffness, test acetone on a scrap to remove uncured residue. If fully cured and visible, carefully restitch or dye the area to blend the mark.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.